Hey guys, this is Sal and welcome to this exclusive episode of Weekly Mastermind. And in this particular episode, we are going to do the overall analysis of what all we saw in last 1 month of September, as well as what all we can expect in upcoming month of October. Because in last 2 weeks of September month, we have seen slighter indecisiveness and whatever move we saw, like a smaller correction, we weren't expecting that, but still whatever we have saw, like whatever we have seen so far in overall last 2 weeks, we just have to accept it, embrace it, and based on that particular thing we have to take action step, whether we have to go for long side, whether we have to go for short side, or whether we have to be a fence eater. That's what we are going to discuss further into this particular video of Weekly Mastermind. And first of all, if you're someone who is new to our YouTube channel or even on Facebook page, congratulations for being into this particular page, and thank you so much for watching this particular video as well. And let's begin with what all we have for this particular week's Weekly Mastermind. And Weekly Mastermind is something which we do every single week on Sunday itself. I post this video on Sunday at 5 p.m. sharp, where we do the overall analysis on what all we saw in last 1 week, as well as what all we can expect in upcoming week. So Weekly Mastermind for 1st of October 2023, where we are going to look up at market index, what are the outperforming and underperforming sectors, weekly gainers and losers from Nifty 50, what are the current trending and tracking stocks, and some of the cup pattern stocks like the previous videos. You can consider previous week's Weekly Mastermind session, whatever cup pattern stocks we have discussed, we are just going to have an overview of it. So market index, we can have like Nifty, Sensex, Bank Nifty, all have given kind of flattish momentum itself because of last 1 or 2 days recovery in last 1 week. Then we have Midcap 50, which has given 1.01%, which is a very good sign. India VIX is on the upside, that is 7.41, which is slightly a sign of a concern, and USD INR is also moving on the upper side. So that's the slighter sign of concern on the Indian markets, but slightly you can consider Nifty, Bank Nifty, and Sensex are trying to form a base, and they are trying to move forward on the upper side as well. So if we look up at chart of Nifty 50, then we have monthly above 60, squeeze open on the upside, walk off the band, but we have like a bigger shadow on the upper side. Weekly, it has given proper retracement after 3 weeks, proper move, but in this particular week, it has taken proper 60 support. So is this particular 60 support going to sustain, or is it going to break down? That's what we will be able to see in upcoming week itself, because on daily chart as well, it has taken proper 40 support. So in upcoming week, if bulls are taking charts, so it will definitely take 60 support on weekly time frame. 40 support is that it has already taken, but it will obey and it will break out of 60 in upcoming week, or else it will break down of both the time frames, that is weekly and daily. On weekly, it will break down of 60, and on daily, it will break down of 40. Then comes Bank Nifty, where Bank Nifty slightly weaker as compared to Nifty 50, where monthly is above 60, squeeze open on the upside, but not walk off the band. Weekly is exactly at moving average, forming a doji, and weekly is already below RSI 60, and daily is exactly at 40. So this can be like a major make or break situation for Bank Nifty, because on Bank Nifty, if you look up at daily time frame, then it has not given any retracement. It gave a reversal below 61% in terms of Fibonacci as well. Then comes sector specific. We have like an indecisive move. Some of them are on the upper side, some of them are on the lower side. Some of the like weak performing sectors were like IT, which was down by 3.40, and best performing sectors were like pharma, which was up by 2.34, and realty, which was up by 2.52. Rest were in between 1-2%, and so on. And next, if we look up at Nifty IT, then we have monthly above 60. It has broken out of moving average, and right now it's almost around 58, 59. Weekly has freshly broken down of RSI 60, so that's a slightly sign of concern. And on daily time frame, it has also broken down of moving average, which we weren't expecting. But at the bottom, it has formed a spinning top, which can be like a reversal pattern itself, but after a confirmation, which means on Monday, that is tomorrow, if it takes proper green candle confirmation, then it can be like a base formation on daily time frame, and then it can move forward on the upper side. Then comes Nifty Auto, where we are having monthly above 60, squeeze open on the upside, walk off the band. On weekly also, it is already sustaining above 60, but since last 2 weeks, it was giving smaller correction. And on daily time frame, it has resisted to cross 60 as of now, which is not a good sign, but it is already sustaining with moving average with like slightly indecisive candle itself. So in upcoming week, it is like it can decide whether it has to move on the upper side or on the smaller correction side. Then we have Nifty Metal, where we are having like at the resistance, monthly above 60, squeeze open on the upside, but not walk off the band. Weekly is also sustaining above 60, proper 60 support itself, and on daily, almost 40 support and like a base formation. Then comes Nifty FMCG, monthly above 60, weekly above 60, and weekly is exactly at moving average and exactly at 60, which is not even breaking out of 60, not even breaking down of 60 on the downside. And on daily time frame, it is completely in a consolidation zone. So maybe in 1 or 2 weeks, FMCG can give further momentum either on the upside or on the downside, and then we can have further momentum on this. Then we have Nifty Energy, where monthly is about like almost around 60, 61, where it is about to break out, and it has already broken out of moving average, which is a good sign. Weekly is already sustaining above 60 with squeeze open on the upside, and daily has taken proper moving average support. And furthermore, in upcoming week, based on moving average support, it can break out of 60 as well. So furthermore, in upcoming week, energy sector can be kept onto our radar. Then comes Nifty Pharma, monthly above 60, squeeze open on the upside, walk off the band, all-time high zone. Weekly is also sustaining above 60, but we have like divergence on weekly time frame. And on daily time frame, it has taken proper 40 support as well. And even this was like a triple base formation. Even this is the base formation which I discussed in live trading challenge as well. So furthermore, once it breaks out of 60, then it becomes a good sign. But only sign of concern on pharma sector is weekly divergence on in terms of RSI. That's the only sign of concern on pharma sector. Then we have Nifty Infra, monthly above 60, squeeze open on the upside, walk off the band. Weekly is also above 60, squeeze open on the upside, but not walk off the band. And on daily, it is about to break out of 60, almost around 60, 61. So in upcoming week, on Monday or Tuesday, whatever candle confirmation will be formed, based on that, either it will break down of moving average by resisting to cross 60, or else it will take moving average support the way it is taking since last 1 week and move forward on the upper side and take RSI above 60 as well. So infra can also be kept on our radar in upcoming week. Then we have Nifty Realty, monthly above 60, squeeze open on the upside, walk off the band, all-time high zone. Weekly is also sustaining above 60 with very good sign. And on weekly, we are having proper PRD as well here, which is like the sign where we have bullish signal. And on daily time frame, it is consolidating with moving average. So furthermore, confirmation will come once it breaks out of 60. Then we have Nifty Media. Monthly has freshly resisted to cross 60. So as of now, the sector is definitely out from our radar. Weekly has also given good retracement, and on daily it is already between 40-60. So as of now, in short-term trend as well, it has given consolidation zone. So as of now, this sector is completely out. Then comes weekly best performers from Nifty 50. We have Bajaj Finance, which was up by 4.54. Then we have Coal India 4.18, which is also a very good sign. Then comes ONGC, L&T. Then we have NTPC, Hindalco, and Sun Pharma. And even in last one day, that is on Friday, pharma sector as well as pharma stocks gave very good current on the upper side, and maybe we can expect further momentum in upcoming week on pharma stocks itself. Then comes weekly worst performers. Like weak performers, we have Tech Mahindra, which was down by 6.32. Then we have Infosys, which was down by 4.06. Then comes Titan, Asian Paints, M&M, HCL Tech, Wipro, and few more. Right. So these are some of the weak performing stocks from Nifty 50. Then comes some of the trend following stocks where we are having monthly, weekly, daily above 60. First of all, we have Glenmark, again from pharma sector, monthly above 60, weekly above 60 with very good demand. And on daily, it has freshly broken out of 60. So tomorrow, when we have like low risk high reward opportunity with like daily and you can consider hourly and 15 minutes confirmation, we can definitely execute the trade based on 7-star signal which has got generated. And if you don't know what is 7-star signal, make sure you go back to our previous you can consider previous videos of weekly mastermind session, not weekly mastermind, previous videos of technical Saturday series where I've discussed every single topic about 7-step analysis. Then comes Sun TV, monthly, weekly, both are above 60, and daily has freshly broken out of 60. So that can also be the stock which can be traded based on system 3. Then comes L&T FH, monthly, weekly, both are above 60. Daily has freshly broken out of 60. So these are some of the stocks, not just based on like trend following system, but based on like system 3 as well. Then comes Oro Pharma, monthly, weekly above 60, weekly, daily has freshly broken out, but the only sign of concern is huge gap up which is being formed. So it can act as a support as well, but it has to, you can consider it has to give proper confirmations that it will sustain on the upper side and so on. So volume is also good. Then comes NMTC, monthly is freshly breaking out of 60, weekly and daily are already above 60, and on daily also it has taken proper moving average support, RSI 60 support. So this becomes like a 10-star signal for system 3 advanced trade. Then comes some of the tracking stocks for upcoming week. First of all, we have BHALE, which is based on like monthly cup pattern breakout, and this is like a change in polarity where on daily time frame it has given like a proper previous resistance has now became like a support itself. So that's what we call as change in polarity. Previous resistance becoming support, or previous support becoming resistance. That is what change in polarity. And even we have some of the bullish signals about to break out of 60. So that's a good sign. Then comes FSL, monthly above 60, weekly above 60, daily is consolidating with moving average. 60 breakout is yet to happen. So once it breaks out, we can have low risk high reward opportunities based on hourly and 15 minutes time frame. Then we have Gale, monthly above 60, weekly above 60, daily is about to break out of 60. Then we have Hindalco, monthly is about to break out of 60, weekly has taken proper 60 support, and daily is also about to break out of 60. So two confirmations are yet to happen for 10-star system 3 trade. Then we have Hind Copper, monthly above 60 with very good demand. Weekly has taken proper 60 support, and we have PRD as well here on weekly time frame, and on daily it is about to break out of 60. So this can also be the stock which can be traded in upcoming week, right? So we have some of the cup pattern stocks as well, which we have discussed in last weekly mastermind session. First of all, we have DB Realty, where the resolution point is around 168.70 and current market price is around 162.30. So confirmation is yet to happen. The entry price is going to be resolution point plus 4%, and stop loss is going to be resolution point minus 2%, and target 1, target 2, and target 3 are going to be 10, 20, and 30% respectively. And if you're not yet clear on what cup pattern strategy is all about, maybe in upcoming videos I'll discuss about like in technical Saturday series, I'll definitely discuss about cup pattern stock itself, like cup pattern strategy. Then comes Mahabank, where we have like resolution point, which was around 41.95 and current market price around 47.65. So the stock has given move like crazy, and even we have like volume which has crossed 1.5 billion as well, which is a very good sign. Then comes PCBL. This was like resolution point was around 159.40 and current market price is around 168.75. So this is the stock which has also given very good move, right? So these are some of the trend following stocks, tracking stocks, and you can consider the cup pattern stocks for this particular week. I hope that you're absolutely on this particular thing as well. And first of all, even in yesterday's video of Technical Saturday series, I gave like a small, you can consider the course itself, which was very important for everybody in order to have access to it. And I gave the free access of it. So if you're someone who is new to our YouTube channel, new to our Facebook page as well, this is the page you like. This is the link which I'm giving in the chat box or even in the description below in the Facebook and YouTube as well. Like this is the page which will be opening up when you go to that particular link. The name is Stock Trading Secrets. This is the course which is being designed by me in last few weeks, where I have collected my years of hard work, years of learning and implementation, and these are some of the, you can consider, tried and tested methods which are being used by by every single member of the Achievers Club. And if you're someone who is, you can consider, completely new to what technical analysis is all about, what stock trading is all about, then this particular course is definitely going to help you out, because this is going to give you absolute clarity about what it takes for you to become a pro trader. And I have shared every single thing which is going to be mandatory for you to become a pro trader as well. So don't miss out on this opportunity. The actual value of this particular course is 5,000 rupees. But as you are following me on YouTube and Facebook, I want to give this course absolutely for free. All you have to do is just go below that, go below this particular video in the description box. You just have to fill out the details, that is email address, first name, last name, and phone number. Once you tap on buy button, you will be redirected towards a page which looks like this. And once you tap on start button, every single video you will be able to see one by one. And these are like to the point videos. There is no such fluff, no such bias, where you can consider it's not any waste of time and so on. So even I have discussed about 7-step analysis in depth, and I've shared with you the system 3. You can consider the system 3 for long, and I have shared the back testing as well. This is one of the most premium course which I've created so far, and you can consider I've shared overall wisdom I have so far into this particular course. So make sure you take this opportunity very seriously and take full opportunity, take full advantage of this particular course and this particular giveaway, because in future I'm definitely going to give this particular course not for free but in the paid manner itself, right? So the link to this particular course, to get this particular course absolutely for free, is going to be given below this particular video. Make sure you grasp this opportunity and make sure you take full benefits as well, and make sure whatever lessons you are getting from those particular videos, you share below those particular videos, and whatever learnings you have so far from this particular weekly mastermind session, make sure you share below this particular video. And even if possible, you can share that particular course with your friends, family, loved ones, and like to as many people as possible, because this is like a free giveaway which I want to give as a, you can consider, you can in the form of, you can consider, give back to the society itself. That's what my main forte is all about. That's what my main intention, to give this particular course absolutely for free is, like, that's my intention, right? So I hope that you are absolutely clear about what we can expect in upcoming week, what are the different sectors which we can track and trade in upcoming week. And make sure you share this video with your friends and loved ones. Looking forward to see you in upcoming videos. Till then, live fully, love openly, and make sure, first of all, once again, a quick update that from maybe next 2 weeks, we are going to have major announcements. So make sure you are staying tuned for those announcements as well. And that is going to be very new. This is like a very new initiative for me as well. So make sure you are staying tuned for those as well. And looking forward to seeing you in upcoming videos. Till then, live fully, love openly, and make the difference today. I wish you joy and abundance in all you do.